Today I'm going to review for you guys the smart watering system by RAINPOINT. And inside the box we have three different things. We have the smart irrigation display hub, we have the smart water flow meter, and we have the smart 2-zone Wi-Fi water timer. Let's go ahead and open up these three boxes and see what all we have inside. Here you can see that we have the water flow meter. You have a couple different connectors here. We have a user manual as to how you want to use it. And here you can see the water flow meter with the display here. And then here you can see we have the 2-zone Wi-Fi water timer. You have the extra tape here to put that around your connectors. We have our user manual over here. Here you can see the 2-zone water timer. You can press these buttons, or you can also control this from your phone. And the last thing we have here is the irrigation display hub. So this thing is going to stay inside of your house and it's going to give you all the information that you need to see when you need to water, how much water you're using, the temperature outside and everything like that. Here you have the power cord. So you can power this directly from your outlet, or you can also use batteries to power this. And here's the smart display hub. And also inside the box, they send you the user manual. Here you can see that I have the smart hub plugged into the outlet. And on the screen here, you have a lot of information like your weather, partly sunny. Then once I connect this to my phone, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to see today's weather, my indoor temperature and things like that. So we are gonna go ahead and set this up with the Wi-Fi and with the HomeGuard app. Go to your App Store or Google Play Store to download the HomeGuard app and register for an account. Once you download the app and register your account, you're going to be on the home screen here, and you can see that we have the plus sign, so we want to add our device. And the first thing we are going to add is our smart hub. So once you click on this, you want to then go ahead and connect this to your Wi-Fi. Now that I have put in my Wi-Fi password, I'm going to press and hold the Wi-Fi button up here for a couple seconds. And you will see that it says scan mode. And on my app here, I'm gonna click next, and it should connect. And now that we have our smart hub connected, we can also connect our sub devices. So you can just click on plus, and now we can connect our 2-zone water timer. In order for us to connect the water flow meter, we want to go down here, click on add device, flow meter, click on next, and you want to press and hold this button until it basically reboots. And as soon as it reboots, it connects. So now we are all ready to go. You can see we have all of our devices connected. So the first thing we connected here is our 2-point watering zone. And we are now going to connect our hose to that, and then connect the flow meter to our hose. The nice thing about this is you can connect two different hoses. So if you have two different areas in your garden or in your backyard where you're going to water your plants, then you can have one hose coming this way and the other hose going this way. Now we are going to connect the water flow meter at the end of our hose, so that way as you are watering your plants, you can see how much water you're using. So now you can see here that we have the 2-point watering system, right? So we have these buttons, and you can press these buttons to open them, and you can see the light will blink every couple of seconds. And if you want to turn it off, press it again. But you can also have both of them running at the same time, so water will flow from two different sides. But this can also be controlled from your phone as well. So now that I have this turned off, if you see that I turned the valve on, it's not going to pour any water out until I go ahead and press this. And as you are watering your garden or your plants, you can use the app to stay up to date on all the information that you would need or want to know. You also have your charts where you can go and see your daily or monthly information. Also under settings, you can change a couple different things, units and stuff like that. Go under the 2-point watering zone and you can see that for our irrigation we have a timer that you can check out to see how much time you have left. You can also set up a plan, so you want to schedule your watering timer for specific days, specific times. You can set that all under plan, and you can also look at your calendar events, and then you can also look at your chart and you can see the month, days, how much water you have used, etc. And your water flow meter also updates the app as to how much water you have used in the past, how much water you're currently using, and information like that that could be useful to you. And as you're using the water, you can see that this updates right away, and I have used about a gallon of water already. So this smart hub system is quite nice since you have the weather outside, and you can also purchase like soil sensor, humidity sensor, and things like that that really tells you how much water you need to use. So this is kind of helpful if you have been overwatering your plants or you're wasting too much water. This will kind of help you control all of that remotely. So this is very, very nice and a smart way to water your plants and use a sprinkler system.